morning, everyone. We are now at the production yard at Dubox. Less than 2 weeks is remaining till we move to the solar height. Let me tell you where we have reached with our construction progress. We are almost done with our MEP first fix for the 2 units, for the 4x10 and the 4x6. We did for the water line under pressure test and no leakage has been detected. The conduit works has been done, so we are safe to close the gypsum board for these 2 units. Good morning, Muhandis Hazem. So Muhandis Hazem is on site and we are going to go and see
and check the progress.
Exactly. Good morning, Lal. How are you today? So,
Morning, madam.
hi, are we finishing the master bedroom bathroom today? Okay. So now he came from Siraj Power and he wants to see the site condition before they come next week, and they will help us in installing the solar system. And now we are moving to the technical room. The technical room, it is in the 4x10 units, and this is where we're going to locate our inverter and the batteries. So that will be the main focus for Siraj. They want to make sure that the condition of the technical room is suitable to install all the units related to the solar system.